Hello and welcome to another tutorial here at NetDispatcher. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a form, otherwise known as a template, for a customer card. So what we will do, here from the home page, you will want to click the Customers tab located at the top. And from here, you will want to click the little gear icon that is right there. So we will click that, and that brings down a drop-down box. You will click Edit Forms. And as you can see, there's already two in here. These are default templates that come with the software whenever you open it up for the first time. But what we want to do is go ahead and create a new template. So from here, we will click the Add New on the left side. And this will bring up a blank canvas for us to build a new template. So we will go ahead and change the name to Customer 1. And we could also change this tab title to something that you desire. So for this, for our training purposes, we're going to just use customer information. So for the customer card, it could be as simple, it could be as lengthy, anything you want. If you want 20 tabs, you can do that. If you want 100 fields, we can do that. So you will see here on the right side, you have your templates and your fields. Now, how these differ, the templates will bring a layer or template from one of these sections. So instead of having to add each field individually, if you would like to use either all of or some of the fields from certain templates, all you would need to do is click on the one you wish, and from here you can select which ones you would like to bring over. However, because we're doing the customer card, we're going to simply do a simple customer card with just a few fields, and we do not need to pull anything from any other templates. So what we will do here, you can either select from this list any field that you wish to add, or you may create a new field. However, for this one, we're just going to select from the list. So here we're going to put customer name, and once you click on it, it will pop up here in this blank area. And from here, you can drag and drop wherever you would like. So if you want to put it in the middle, you can do so. If you want to move it up to the top, you can do that as well. So we're just going to leave it over here, and we'll go ahead and make the box a little bit larger. So let's say we do want to create a new field. We will hit the blue button at the bottom of the fields list that says create a new field. And in field name, we can do first name, and we'll make it a simple input field. These types are different widgets and how the box is going to respond. So say you wanted to search for information on the software, you can do this. If you want it to be a drop-down box, if you want it to be a checkbox, date, attachment area, you can do so. But for this, we're going to leave it at a input field. We will click next, and I will go over this section a little bit later, but right now let's go ahead and just add this new field. So we got first name. As you can see, it's already here in the list, but I wanted to show you how to create that new field. So we will go ahead and click the last name, put that in here. Now let's go ahead and throw phone and email as well. And we can also do the billing information. So billing address, city, state, and zip. Alright, now say that's all you want for this first tab, and maybe you want to add a second tab, and it's going to have other information regarding this customer. So what we will do is click the blue little symbol right here next to the tab. We will click that, click on that tab again, and we could change the name to notes and attachments. So what we can do here, we can click from the field list, Notes, and this will bring up a text area box. And then what we can also do is create a new field, call it Attachments, select the type to Attachments, Next, and Ready. And your attachments will appear right here, so that if you have any sort of media file that pertains to the customer, you can attach it here, so that whenever it appears on the work order, the worker who is in the field, if he needs to see any of these media files because it's pertinent to the job itself, the worker can access these attachments from their mobile device. So from here we could click Save, and this will save our template. Thank you for joining us with this tutorial today. Thank you and have a great day.